Hello, welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the bank menu. Today I'm going to be making some cream of tomato soup. Now I couldn't decide on a single preferred tomato, so I just used, oh f***ing sake, the gardener's here. So just f***ing brilliant. I couldn't decide on one single tomato to use, so I'm going to use a mixture of what's in the backyard. We've got German Queens, which sounds like something I made up. We've got cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, San Marzano, and some lovely yellow sunset torch. First off, cut a medium onion. Splash a couple of teaspoons of avocado oil and add the onions to the pan. Then we cut and add the garlic. After that, cut the large tomatoes and place the small cherry tomatoes in whole. Add salt and pepper to taste. After that, chuck in a large sprig of rosemary. Then 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. After that, the obligatory Worcester sauce. Then we add a teaspoon of chilli powder. I always try and use the Kashmiri, but any will do, even cayenne pepper. You just need something to give it a bit of a kick. Give it a good stir and then put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Take it out and add a tablespoon of sugar. After that, half a cup of chicken stock or veggie stock if you prefer to keep it totally veggie. By now, the tomatoes should be falling apart, so just encourage them with a masher. After a few minutes, add the cream. If you like a rustic soup, this is finished, but I like the silky creamy version that we got in a can as a bin lid, so I run a blender through it. That itself should suffice, but I like it strained even further, so out comes the sieve. Eat it as is, with a slice of bread, or for the ultimate pairing, crisp butties dipped straight in. As a nipper, I always like the beef crisps as they react brilliantly with the tomato, but here in LA, I can only find the Marmite ones. Absolutely melt.